Hello, welcome to StatLearn Tech. So in this video we will understand that what is a variable, how do we define a variable and why do we need a variable. Okay, so firstly, what is a variable? So a one line definition is variable is a reference to a data in a program, right? Suppose you have a data in a program which is 100, so how will you refer to this value 100 later in a program? So you need to create a variable like var and assign this variable the reference of it. Okay, so understand what's happening in this line. You have it's written at var. This we have created a variable name equal to, firstly we have written var. This is the variable name. This will refer to a value. The value 100 will be equal to var, but in actual what's happening is var is referring to 100. var is not 100, but it's referring to 100. Okay, like if you are a person, same way like we refer to a human with his name, but the name is not the human. Try to understand what I'm saying. The name is not human, but we are using the name to refer to the human being. Similarly, the var variable is not 100, it's referring to a value which is 100. Okay, so now in your later in program, if you write print var, so what it will say, okay, I am referring to a value 100, so I will print the value 100. See, 100 is printed. So what's the variable is? It's a reference to a data. Simple, it's used to refer to a data. Now what are the rules involved in creating a variable? So the first rule is your variable name should only consist of a lowercase character, an uppercase character, a number or an underscore. Okay, these are the four things allowed for you to create a variable name. Other than these symbols or other than these characters, you cannot use any character to create a variable name. And next rule is your variable name should not begin with a number. This is it. This is the only rule involved in creating a variable name. It should not start with a number and should only consist of lowercase, uppercase, number or underscore, right? So let's see some valid and invalid combination of variable name, right? So if I write var, is it a valid variable name? Yes. How can you check? If you write var is equal to some value and if no error is there, then it's okay. It's var is a successfully created and it's a valid variable name. Why it's a valid variable name? Because it consists of three characters v, a and r. All three characters are lowercase character. First rule is satisfied. Second, it should not begin with a number, so it begin with a character v. So second rule is successfully followed. So var is a valid variable name. Next, if I write underscore var is equal to 89, again it is valid because it consists of four characters underscore v, a and r, and all these four characters are valid to create a variable name. First rule satisfied. Second rule, it should not start with a number. Second rule also satisfied. But now if you create a variable name, say 2vh is equal to 123, it will be an error. See, first rule is satisfied. It only consists of 2 p and h. All three are allowed in a variable name, but it is starting with a number, so it's not allowed. You can write b to h is equal to 90. That's a valid variable name. Understood? Or you just need to follow these two rules and that's it. You will be able to create a variable name. So this was all about variables. Why do we need it? We need it to refer to a data later in our program. And how we define it? We have already shared with you the content that there are two rules. Just follow these two rules and you will successfully be able to define a variable. So in this video we understood that what's a variable is. Now in the next video we will understand that what are different data types in Python. So stay tuned with the channel, and if you have any query then comment it down in the comment box. I will see you in the next video.